Hello everyone. Today we will learn topology, that is your network topology. First, what is topology? The definition of topology is the study of network is known as topology. What does it actually mean? Actually, topology refers to the physical component of a computer. Physical component means its computer, cables, and other components of a network. There are so many topologies. Out of these, bus topology, then your ring topology, star topology, then your mesh topology, then tree topology are important topologies. First come bus topology. What is bus topology? Actually, bus topology uses a cable, that is your cable. There are some devices. These are the devices connected to the cable. This cable is otherwise known as trunk. A common backbone that is connected to all the devices. Suppose this device wants to communicate with this device, then that device provides data in the main cable. If data is provided in this cable, then the data automatically transfers to all the devices. In this way, this device also communicate this device, and this device. That is the terminologies of bus topologies. What are the advantages of bus topology? The main advantage is it requires less cable than other topologies. Next, what is the disadvantages of bus topology? Suppose this device is going to stop its operation. If that device going to stop the operation, we cannot troubleshoot easily. It is difficult to find out what's the problem behind it. That is the main disadvantages. Next, your ring topology. The ring topology is actually a logical ring, meaning that the data travels in a circular manner. Suppose this is a device, this is another device, this is another device, this is another device. That devices are connected in a circular manner. That's why this topology is known as ring topology. Suppose in a ring topology. If one system is failure, then the entire topology will be collapsed. That is the main disadvantages of ring topology. What are the advantages of ring topology? Ring networks are moderately easy to install. This topology is easy to handle and easy to install. That is the main advantage. Next, your star topology. Actually, in a star topology, as the name suggests, star, the devices are connected in a star manner. That is your hub or switch, and other devices are connected in a star-like manner. Every devices require a cable to connect to the hub. What is the function of hub? What is the function of switch? Hub, if the data is transferred to the hub, the main work of hub is that data will provide to other devices simultaneously. But the function of switch is totally different. Suppose that device want data from server. Server means a workstation where huge amount of data is stored. If switch is connected, then other devices are not accessed. The wanting device receives the data from the server. That is the main function of hub and switch. What is the advantage of star topology? The main advantages of star topology is if a system failure, then the entire topology will not be collapsed. As earlier I told, in ring topology, if a system function is failure, the entire topology will be collapsed. But in case star topology, the entire topology will not be collapsed. That is the main function. What is the disadvantage of star topology? It requires more cable. That device require one cable, that device also require cable, and that device, there are so many devices, so many cables are required to operate. In the next video, we will learn mesh topology, tree topology, and disadvantage of computer network.